Well, he spoke Yiddish, but my mother didn't, so they never spoke Yiddish in the house. He also spoke Polish. He had learned as a boy. When we went to my mother's parents, uh, they spoke Yiddish, and many of the people that came to be guests in their home spoke Yiddish. But I also was exposed to many other languages. There were customers that came to his junkyard, and when I was there helping on Saturdays, I would hear these different languages. I even picked up a little bit of Roma, the gypsy language. When the gypsies came in, I would always ask them, well, how do you say this, and how do you say that? And they would tell me, and I would remember it. And there were people that spoke Polish and different languages. So languages were something that were part of my life.